What's up guys? This is Linus the Taiwanese who teach you Chinese online. Remember the last video where we talk about the things you must know when dating a Taiwanese girl? If you haven't watched it, the link is right over here. Today, we will switch things around and instead take a look at the things you must know when dating a Taiwanese guy. Let's go!
Number 1. Learn Chinese. 去学中文.
Just as in the last video about dating Taiwanese girls, good communication is one of the most essential parts of a relationship. Both of you should really try to learn each other's languages if you want things to work smoothly. By doing that, you will not only be able to learn more about each other, but you will also be able to avoid unnecessary misunderstandings due to language barriers. Learning Chinese has both short and long benefits for you.
Number 2. Not good at expressing themselves verbally. 不太擅长用言语表达情感。
Most Taiwanese guys are not that into saying romantic things to you. It's not because they don't love you, it's just because they are a bit shy or find saying, I love you, sort of cringy or not cool. In our culture, guys are even taught to conceal their emotional side because being emotional is considered to be a woman's privilege. Verbally showing how much you love them is sometimes regarded as a symbol of being weak due to deep-rooted chauvinism from the past. However, if you watch carefully, instead of saying, I love you, they will most likely prefer to show it with gestures instead.
Number 3. Way too considerate sometimes. 有时候太过体贴。
Most Taiwanese guys think that it is their obligation to take care of girls. For example, help you carry your bag, let you walk on the inside of the sidewalk when next to a traffic road, buy you a pad, chocolate, or wrap in soup when you are on your period, drive you home, tell you not to drink too much, and so on. Some girls like it, while some girls don't. If you want to be spoiled like a princess, then a Taiwanese guy can be a good match for you. If you are a girl who prefers and expects to be more independent, just tell them the way you want to be treated, and they will change gradually.
Number 4. Play cute when in need. 必要时可以撒娇一下。
Playing cute is absolutely the best skill to use when trying to gain the favor and attention of Taiwanese guys. They just can't resist it. You can use it in many situations, such as when you are in a fight. 宝贝，对不起，不要生气了，好不好？ Babe, I'm sorry, can you not be mad at me? When you have to deal with annoying situations. 宝贝，下雨了，你开车载我去上班好不好？拜托拜托。Babe, it's raining. Can you drive me to work, please? When he does something nice to you. 宝贝，你最好了。Babe, you are the best. Etc. Of course, playing cute is not a foolproof tactic that can be used with all Taiwanese guys. It mainly works when he loves you. Making good use of playing cute can reduce conflicts and enhance the relationship between you and him.
Number 5. Most of them live with their parents before getting married. 大多数在结婚前都跟父母同住。
This is not just for guys. Most Taiwanese people will keep living with their parents after becoming adults. There are many reasons for this. Some people want to save money, some people are asked to spend more time with their parents, and some people just don't want to change the life they're used to. Therefore, if you want to see him more, it's very likely that you will also see his parents quite often because it's not only his, but also his parents' place.
Number 6. Love him and his family. 爱屋及乌.
Meeting a Taiwanese guy's parents is not as serious as meeting a Taiwanese girl's parents. You will probably see his parents quite soon after confirming the relationship because most likely they still live together. Therefore, your interaction and relationship with his parents is very important. Helping with the housework, bring some food or fruit they like, giving a gift on their birthdays are all very good way of gaining their favor. If you can get along with his parents and siblings, he will definitely love you more. Thank you for watching this video. Of course, same as the previous video, the above listed things do not apply to all Taiwanese guys. They are, however, common things you may encounter with dating a Taiwanese guy. So it can be good to keep that in mind. I truly hope that this video can be helpful to you. Feel free to ask me any question in the comments. If you like my content, make sure that you subscribe like, and share. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time. Bye.